Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know exactly what's in here, but I know it was likely sent by, well, possibly the Pass Around group, but possibly somebody responding to my community post about new knives. So I thank you for that. We'll find out as soon as we're into the box. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some of these cool stickers and some other benefits, there is, of course, a link down in the description. Your support would absolutely mean the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty. Let me get the old tactical scalpel here. Make a quick cut on this side. I'm probably going to end up just ripping this box open. So let's see if we can get into it from this side. Well, kind of. Go ahead and rip it. Okay, here we go. We got a note. Okay, that's good. Let's go ahead and get this all the way opened up so I can lay this out. It is a Spyderco. I don't want to look at it just yet for my own, you know, I like the whole Christmas morning thing. I like to read the note first. MC, been a fan for a while. Happy to help out with the channel by lending you the... Oh, all right. Okay, good deal. Hopefully you'll like it as much as I do. It has a Lynch Northwest clip on it now, but I've decided the stock clip, or I've included the stock clip in case you want to switch it out and see how it is. All right, good deal. And, oh, well, thank you. He says, please feel free to treat it like your own and use it, take it apart, etc. Don't be afraid to put it through the ringer either. The knife is a beast and can take it. Looking forward to the review. All right, awesome. Let me show you his Instagram. That's really nice, allowing me to, you know, use it how I please. I really appreciate that. At brady.coil.7 on Instagram. So please give him a follow. This is a knife that I am far from the first person to take a look at it. But this is a new Spyderco. This is the Canis. Very, very interesting. This is the one with the very odd swedge up here where at least there's like a chunk of steel back here, and then you've got the edge, you know, you can see there the area that drops towards the cutting edge, you know, is not very tall, but the whole design just looks really interesting. But it's cool because it's got a compression lock. Boy, that is smooth. Oh my gosh. You definitely can do the reverse flick. You can definitely do the thumb flick. Yeah, this is, so the blade shape's odd. Ergonomics, pretty darn good. Compression lock, ridiculously smooth. Very, very smooth. It takes way less effort to do that with this knife than like my PM2 or my Shaman or even my Para 3. Goodness. I will be providing links for this knife down in the description where you can check this out for yourself. I know a lot of people have been interested in this thing, getting my fingernail shavings off the table because, yeah, that area right there is a tad sharp. That's sometimes the case with some of these satin finished Spydercos or Taichung Taiwan Spydercos, which this absolutely is, and that's fine because their fit and finish tends to be really, really, really good. S30V on the steel, and then we have the laminate carbon... Wait, is it? Yeah, this is laminate carbon fiber. I think you can see the lip right there. Underneath we have G10, that's fine. We'll talk about that in the review. We've got the Lynch deep carry clip, which is a totally understandable mod because most of Spyderco's stock positions for their pocket clips are not always optimal, and this is usually the clip that they include. It's not the worst clip in the world, it's just the position of it's not optimal. So I appreciate you including that so that I can check that out. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Very interesting knife. Can't wait to talk about it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And if you decide to pick this knife up for yourself, use the links down below. It does benefit my channel. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check them out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching everybody, and have a great day.